If you want to download Claude Desktop on your Mac, this video will show you exactly how to do it. If this helps, consider subscribing. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac, go to Google and search for Download Claude Desktop. Now open the official Claude website. Once you're on the web page, look for the option that says Download for Mac. Click on it. The download should start automatically. Now wait for the file to finish downloading. It usually takes a few minutes. Once it's done, open your Downloads folder. You'll see a file for Claude. Double click on it. Now drag the Claude app into your Applications folder. This installs it on your Mac. Once that's done, go to your Applications folder and open Claude. The first time you open it, your Mac might show a security warning. If that happens, just click Open to continue. Now sign in with your account. And that's it. Claude Desktop is now installed and ready to use. If the app doesn't open the first time, try closing it and then open it again. And make sure your Mac is connected to the internet. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.